How to watch 50 Shades of Grey online. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Bisnath, and today I'll guide you on how and where you can watch 50 Shades of Grey online. Now, there are certain platforms that will offer you the full web. Now what you can do is you can either go ahead and stream the 50 Shades of Grey by renting or purchasing it on the Amazon or iTunes or Google Play and Vudu. If you are on the India, that is, then you can download the Jio Cinema application and you can get the 50 Shades of Grey there. Now in my case here, the application isn't available in my country. Here you can see if you're on India, if it is available in your region, then you'll be able to watch it here. The other is you can watch it on the Vudu, or what you can do is you can go ahead and now you can watch it on the Vudu website as well, or the Google Play is the easiest way. You can go ahead and open up Google Play Movies and TV. You want to open it up. Before it used to be available on Play Store, but now it's available on Google Play, and here you can search in for 50 Shades of Grey and you can see you will get 50 Shades of Grey, 50 Shades Darker, 50 Shades Freed and such. So you can watch it here. So hope this helps you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.